Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. English with little angel reader. Level 1, Lesson 31. Spring, spring. Summer, summer. Fall, autumn, fall, autumn. Winter, winter. Seasons, seasons. There are 4 seasons. There are 4 seasons. Spring, summer, fall, winter. It is summer now. Summer. Summer. It is summer. Summer. It is summer. New sand for the beach. Max is swimming in the river in the summer. The children are playing in the river. River, a river, river, a river. This is a river in London. This is a river in London. This is a river in London, England. This is a river in London, England. The River Thames is a river in England. The River Thames is a river in England. And this is the Volga River in Russia. Can you stand on one leg like Max? Max is looking at the river. Max is looking at the river. This is a bird in the summer. This is a bird in the summer. A sparrow. A sparrow. It is standing on the fence. It is standing on the fence. Wolfie and Yellow Bear are sitting on the fence in the summer. Wolfie and Yellow Bear are sitting on the fence in the summer. Do you see the bird? Do you see the sparrow? The sparrow is sitting on the fence too. Oh no, it is standing. It is not sitting. Max and Tanya are playing on the beach. They are playing on the sand.
Hey Max, what are you doing?
I'm playing with my sand and seashells.
Whoa! I see you have lots of seashells. Did you collect them yourself?
Yes.
In the sea?
Yes.
Wow! I love seashells and I love seas and rivers and oceans.
Men and women are walking in the water. They are walking in the sea. Max is playing on the beach. An eye. An eye. Eyes. Eyes. We can't see his eyes. We can't see his eyes. But we can see Max's eyes. But we can see Max's eyes.
My eyes.
Your eyes. London Eye. London Eye. London Eye. London Eye. London Eye, the River Thames. London Eye, the River Thames. The children are running between the fountains. The children are running between the fountains. Fountain, fountain. Between, between. This is a frog in the summer. This is a frog in the summer. It's raining. It's raining. The frog is sitting between the leaves. The frog is sitting between the leaves. Max is doing a handstand in the summer. Max is doing a handstand in the summer. The man is doing a handstand in the summer. The man is doing a handstand in the summer. Fall, fall. It's fall, it's October. Yay, we love fall. Do you guys love fall? Look, the leaves are on the ground. And Max is having fun riding his run bike. A tree in the fall. A tree in the fall. Max is riding his bike in the fall. Hi, Max. What season is it now? It's fall. It's autumn. Max is playing in the fall. The children are playing. Lanterns. Lanterns. Look, there are many lanterns on the table. Look, there are many lanterns on the table. The children are holding lanterns. The girl is holding a red lantern. The girl is holding a red lantern. There is a red lantern on the table. There is a red lantern on the table. Max and Tanya are walking with their lanterns. Do you see Max's shark? It is fall. It is fall. They are walking outside. Do you see their lanterns? 3 dogs in the fall. 3 dogs in the fall. A hedgehog in the leaves in the fall. A hedgehog in the leaves in the fall. 1 leaf. 1 leaf. Many leaves. Many leaves. A car in the fall. A car in the fall. What season is it? What season is it? It's fall. It's fall. What season is it now? What season is it now? It's winter. It's winter. The woman is skiing in the winter. Can you ski? Can you ski? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Angie is running in winter. Hello. It's winter. The snow is white. Max is walking in the snow. There's Max making snow angels. So funny. Did you make an angel? Let me see. Ooh, beautiful. Max is enjoying our first snow. Yeah, move your arms and legs. Beautiful. It's snowing. Okay, Max, make a snow angel, honey. All right, now you can stand up. Stand up. Oh, look, there's a beautiful angel. And you, my angel, it's snowing. Max is riding his snow scooter in winter. Yoo-hoo! Way to go, Max.
I can go fast.
You can ride your scooter fast, snow scooter. Two birds in winter. Two birds in winter. Flowers in spring. Flowers in spring. Hello, spring. It's spring. Max is looking at the water. Max is touching the water. Max, what are you doing?
I'm touching the water.
He's touching the water. Is it cold? Max, do you like broccoli?
Yes, I do. I like broccoli.
What color is broccoli?
Green.
Broccoli is green. Max likes broccoli. It is spring. Max is riding a scooter in the spring. Goodbye, spring. Goodbye, spring. Hello, summer. Hello, summer. Max is riding a skateboard. Hi, Max.
Hi.
Max is getting ready for school. Max is getting ready for school. 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 1, 3, 6, 7, 12. That's right, well done. 1, do you see the dragon? 2, 3, 10, 15. Check. That's right, well done, Max. A new dragon. 1. Do you see the numbers? 8, 13, 16, 18. Check, well done. That's right, well done, Max. Little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader.